I'm going to show you how you can use One4All gift card online on JT. Now, it works like a normal debit card or a normal Visa card, so you just have to use it as so. So, for example, I'm on JT here, and I want to buy something here, right? So, for example, I want to buy men's clothing. I'm going to click on men's clothing, and I'm just going to go ahead and add something into my cart here, for example. For example, I want to have this Nike Air Force One low. I'm just going to click on this. And then on here, I might be prompted to make an account, but I'm just going to go ahead and tap it to add to basket like this. I'm going to pick 11 here. Now, it should be on my basket now. Yeah, you can see right on my basket. Let's just go ahead and wait for it to load. And you can see it'll be like this here, right? So you can tap on checkout securely like this. Now, on checkout securely, you can see it does support Visa, and Visa includes One4All gift cards, right? So while you're waiting for this to work, just go ahead and scratch off the actual One4All gift card you have, either physically or digitally. Now, let me just actually get in my email address here so we can continue. Now, this is where you should actually scratch out the actual debit card or the actual One4All gift card, right? So let me go ahead and actually make an account first. Now, once I've logged in, I just have to pick a delivery method. For example, I'm just going to do standard like this. I'm going to do standard. And you can see it'll say selecting delivery method like that. Now, after that's done, you can see payments option are now available. Now, let's just go to, we can add a gift card, but the gift card is not the one we actually want to do. We want to do credit or debit card like this, right? Now, on here, you just have to add a name on the card. Just put it as your actual name. Put it your card number. This is where you can find the actual thing on the scratched off gift card on One4All. Enter in the expiry date, the CVV as well. And then once you've entered all of those in, you can tap on checkout securely. And then that's it. You're done.